Good morning, and thank you for letting me speak at the New Jersey Business and Industry Association Town Hall Call. I am Gigi Schweikert, as Michelle said, and I am with the Early Childhood Education Advocates representing childcare in New Jersey. I'm also the president of Lightbridge Academy. Lightbridge Academy was founded in New Jersey. We have 53 open childcare centers in 5 states. 37 of those centers are in 11 counties in New Jersey. So what are the biggest challenges that New Jersey childcare providers are facing in their business, operations, and sustainability? Many like what we've heard already. But in this short session, I'll focus on 2 for our industry. The first is the COVID pandemic, which most of us are speaking of. And second is universal pre-K or UPK. So how is the childcare industry in New Jersey being affected by the COVID pandemic? Consider these bleak statistics that came out in December 2020 by the National Association for the Education of Young Children. This is in New Jersey. 82% of childcare centers and family childcare homes are currently losing money, 82%. 92% are paying additional costs for PPE, and labor due to the various restrictions that we have in licensing. But most unfortunate, 60% of those who responded to this survey about childcare in New Jersey indicated that they know people who have permanently closed. We cannot have an economy in New Jersey without childcare. So how is the childcare? We all know that the childcare is crucial to the economic regrowth of New Jersey so that parents can go back to work, whether that work is from home or that work is from the office. How could the state of New Jersey help the childcare industry regarding COVID? Provide grants like you have been, but continue to, for additional PPE supplies and for increased labor cost due to rising wages and also to additional restrictive childcare regulations. And provide further subsidy to working parents whose schools are virtual and who need school-age care in order to balance a job and to balance teaching their own children. Now let me focus on the second topic, which is universal pre-K, or otherwise known as UPK. UPK is a New Jersey initiative to provide public school to children 3 and 4 years of age in selected districts with the goal of eventually serving the entire state. We too believe that 3 and 4-year-old children should have access to quality care and education. But through the current private educational childcare centers that are available in the state and not necessarily through the public school system. So how can the state of New Jersey help the childcare industry regarding universal pre-K or UPK? Provide subsidy through the state childcare resource and referral systems and agencies to those children who are most vulnerable and in greatest need despite where they reside or where they may live. Use the current private infrastructure of quality educational childcare programs that are available to subsidize those children who cannot afford preschool. In this way, young children are served, childcare businesses are supported. We're also asking to eliminate the 2% profit margin cap on those few private childcare centers, businesses that are serving public preschool needs. Without childcare and education, there can be no economic recovery for New Jersey.